While some might say that an HDMI cable is just an HDMI cable, there is actually a lot more to it. Factors such as length, type, and transmission speed are all very important when it comes to HDMI cables. At certain distances, a premium high-speed HDMI cable can make a massive difference. So what is the best ultra high-speed HDMI cable? The first one is Z-Skit 8K Ultra HD HDMI cable. The HDMI cable length is 2 meter and it has Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable certificate. 48 GB per second bandwidth for latest features HDR. 8K 60, 4K 120 and up to 10K resolution is available. Dynamic HDR EARC ALLM is available. Backward compatible with earlier versions of HDMI and can be used with any HDMI devices. The second one is Monoprice Ultra 8K HDMI cable. These cables are to carry bandwidth intensive loads and to prevent handshake issues. Perceived hardware issues can be solved by fully supporting high bandwidth dependent features. Dynamic HDR ensures every moment of a video is displayed at its ideal values for depth, detail, brightness, contrast and wider color gamut, optimized on a scene-by-scene or even a frame-by-frame basis. 8K 60Hz resolution means a more immersive viewing experience with sharper high-speed content. The resulting ultra-fast and sharp images are great for sports, high-performance gaming and VR. The high bandwidth and extended video resolution enables gaming consoles, PCs, laptops, PC monitors, VR gear and UHD TVs to support the most advanced extreme gaming features. The third one is Belkin Ultra HD High-Speed HDMI cable. HDMI 2.1 Ultra HD certified by Authorized Testing Center. A quantum leap from 18 GB per second to a whopping 48 GB per second is available. Supports optimal bandwidth and speeds for gaming, streaming, HD TV. Supports optimal performance for a large variety of gadgets. Durable two-layer shielding construction minimizes interference. The fourth one is Cable Meters Ultra 8K HDMI cable. 3-color combo 8K HDMI cable supports high bandwidth HDR with a 48 GB per second bandwidth as specified in HDMI 2.1 standard. High-speed HDMI to HDMI cable supports up to 8K including 4K on 1080p. Fully compatible with HDMI ARC features for immersive audio support. The HDMI 8K cable supports gaming consoles such as the PS4 Pro and Xbox One with advanced features. 48 GB per second HDMI cable is backwards compatible with HDMI 2.0 cable and supports 4:4:4 RGB HDR. Color code and organize your AV connection with this feature-filled HDMI cable 8K. Easily troubleshoot connection problems with a glance instead of tugging on the HDMI cords to check the connection. The last but not the least, Pakroban 8K HDMI 2.1 braided cable. This HDMI 2.1 cable supports wide range of resolutions for immersive viewing and smooth fast action detail. In-wall safe nylon braided cord is available. This is not just HDR, this is dynamic HDR with HDCP 2.2. It ensures every moment of your 8K video is displayed at its ideal values for depth, detail, brightness, contrast, and wider color gamut. 48 GB per second bandwidth for uncompressed 8K content transfer. The cable also features very low EMI emission. EARC simplifies connectivity, provides greater ease of use, and supports the most advanced audio formats. If something goes wrong anytime because of manufacturer fault, it will be replaced for free.